Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money through Apple Pay. So both you and your friend need to have either an iPhone 6 or newer iPad. They have to be running iOS 11.2 or later. You must enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. To begin, enable Apple Cash. To do this, go to the device's settings, scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. In Wallet and Apple Pay, tap the toggle next to Apple Cash. You will see the Apple Cash added under the payment cards. Tap on Apple Cash and continue through the instructions. Before you send money, you need to load the Apple Cash with money. Tap Add Money. You can send the amount that you want to add as well as which bank account you are adding it from. Next, to send money to a friend, open your messages. Open your conversation with your friend. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a black Apple Pay icon. After tapping on the Apple Pay icon, set the amount that you want to send to your friend. Continue by pressing Pay. You will see the payment and designated amount in the text box. Double check the amount and press the arrow to send the money. Finish by verifying the payment with your Touch ID, Face ID or Apple ID. To request money from a friend, simply tap on the request button rather than the pay button. Double check the requested amount and send it to your friend. The transaction will be complete once they accept the request. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.